TIM Brazil Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to TIM Brazil's plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight to it. TIM is one of the largest mobile operators in Brazil, known for its extensive coverage, competitive pricing, and data-heavy plans. It primarily targets users who need reliable 4G and 5G connectivity, whether for casual browsing, streaming, or business use. Coverage is strong in urban areas like São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, and Brasília, but rural areas may experience weaker signals. TIM offers prepaid, postpaid, and control plans, with postpaid users getting premium benefits like unlimited calls, larger data allowances, and access to streaming platforms. Their TIM Black plans include international roaming and bonus data for social media and video streaming. TIM Pré Top is ideal for prepaid users, offering weekly or monthly data packages with rollover benefits. One standout feature is VoLTE and 5G support, providing faster call connections and high-speed browsing where available. Customer service has mixed reviews. While digital support via the MoTIM app is useful, traditional customer service can be slow. Network stability is generally good, but congestion during peak hours can occur. Pricing is competitive compared to Claro and Vivo, often with more data per reel spent. For international travelers, TIM's roaming options are decent, but purchasing a local SIM may be more cost-effective. Overall, TIM is a solid choice for data-heavy users in major cities, but may not be ideal for those in remote areas. If you need a balance between coverage, speed, and pricing, it's worth considering. Check the description for links, and let me know your experience with TIM in the comments.